Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
A is for apples, so crunchy and bright. B is for books we read at night. E is for classroom. E is for eraser to fix every mistake. F is for friends and the fun that we make. G is for games we play at recess. H is for homework. I is for imagination that makes us dream. J is for jumping in the gym as a team. K is for kindness that we always show. L is for learning that helps us grow. M is for music that fills the air. N is for numbers we count everywhere. O is for outside where we all run so fast. Q is for questions we love to ask. R is for reading a favorite text. S is for snack time. U is for uniforms, tidy and neat. V is for victories that feel so sweet. W is for writing our names with pride. Y is for running when the day's at an end. Z is for Z's. Good night, my friend. I hope this dizzy poem makes you feel a little fun. Let me know if you'd like to make any weeks. I hope this dizzy poem makes you feel extra fun. Let me know if you'd like to make any tweaks.
Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.